to another episode of Rosengold. Today we're in Los Angeles, the city of angels and devils. But Dr. Ross and I are on our way to pick up one of our disciples to take her to the Beverly Hills Hotel to get some waffles. Not Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles, Beverly Hills. Let's get into our hot topics.
Starting it off with Kanye West. So Kanye, coming from a doctor myself, I feel personally that before anyone says anything, the first words that should have came out of your mouth is, I'm doing God's work.
Preach.
Not all this other stuff about you got away with saying you're a genius, you're gonna destroy the whole Kardashian family, all this extra things. And now people are gonna, YouTube you as, but
Exactly.
that's besides the point.
Kanye, right now you're driving around in that minivan you got for Kim, trying to call it the family van, and looking pitiful. So Kanye, you need to step your game up. Let's get into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, we have Selena Gomez. Documentary reveals that she was bipolar, and her bipolar medication makes that she can't have kids in the future, and that she was about to commit suicide.
This is a thumbs down, Dr. Ross. We know that Selena Gomez is going through tough times, but isn't she always?
Why you booing me? I'm right.
Let's get into our next hot topic with Nick Cannon.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
So Nick Cannon has 12 children, and allegedly, he might have 13.
You what?
Now this is because he might be having twins. This is a thumbs down.
Thumbs down.
Nick Cannon, we were just telling you at the 11th baby you should stop having kids, and you're still going out. Nick, we don't know what to say.
You are the father.
Let's get to our next hot topic.
On Saturday News, we have Mr. Takeoff, a part of the former group named the Migos, has passed away in Houston, Texas. So that is just very sad to hear. But we want to say rest in peace, Takeoff, and
We send out our hearts and prayers and condolences to his family and friends.
and
But
to the
on-
rest of the Migos group, because they were very close.
Yes, but on a lighter note, we'd like to say to everyone out here in LA, everyone in the industry trying to get their rap game on, their acting, entertainment, lifestyle on, keep on doing you. Don't worry, you may be getting 1,000 no's right now.
But it
But
only takes one yes.
Exactly. These were all of our hot topics. We're gonna go to the Beverly Hills and enjoy ourselves some waffles.
And we'll send you guys a clip, take some photos, and make sure that you follow our Instagram, the rosengold.us,
And
to keep
also,
up with us.
stay tuned for the personals.xyz. And P.S. to Miss Selena Gomez. I know that you might have a couple of screws loose, but I can fix them for you. Tighten them up. That's for you, Miss Selena Gomez. I'd love to take you out to brunch and or dinner.
Yeah, man.
Our latest winner for the She's Hot contest is Miss Cher.
That's right.
And the-
Congratulations.
Yes, congratulations on your win. And the reason being, our sources have let us know that she is now with Tyga's assistant, also known as Amber Rose's ex. Dr. Ross, every guy that Amber Rose has been with has only gone up.
See, I didn't know I came here to be disrespected.
He's gone downhill.
Kanye is the only one, and Kanye brought her up, but that's a thumbs down topic.
Hold on, this train going by.
But with Miss Cher, we see that she's going out on a love connection, and Tyga was the driver. I personally think Tyga should have hired someone else, but that's just me.
That's right.
Congratulations on your win, Miss Cher.
Congratulations on your win for the She's Hot contest, Miss Cher. You always look beautiful. Ageless.
Exactly. Just like a fine wine. That's right. 2 for 1. We'll see you at the Roscoe's in Beverly Hills, Los Angeles.